According to the World Health Organization, at least 2.8 million people die every year as a result of overweight and obesity. Overweight and obesity are defined as an abnormal or excessive accumulation of fat that can be detrimental to health. They are risk factors for chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, musculoskeletal disorders, and some cancers. The bad news, according to the World Health Organization, is that the rate of overweight and obesity will increase in the coming years due to the lifestyle and diet imposed on us by our ever-modernizing environment. Teens has harnessed its knowledge of over 5,000 years of traditional Chinese medicine to formulate a tea with extraordinary properties in order to help prevent overweight and obesity. Teens Slimming Tea, a pure wonder of nature, is the healthy way to lose weight. Its very unique herb-based components affect each on its own the body's functions to promote balanced weight management. Teens Slimming Tea dissipates heat and moisture from the body, detoxifies, refreshes the blood and keeps the body temperature at a proper level. It relieves constipation, disrupts fat absorption, reduces blood fats, facilitates digestion and blood circulation. It is recommended for overweight people who would like to lose a few pounds, those who suffer from constipation and digestion problems, those who have a high-fat diet and high blood lipid levels. Drink Teens Slimming Tea daily to keep yourself in shape. Not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women.